Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe the channel if you're completely new here. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build a header in Brizy. But this header is not a usual header. You usually don't see this kind of header. I just make this one so that you get idea to make differently things. So start building your page, click here, create your own, and give the space. So you can in this space we're putting the container first to contain the element. So we just drag the container first, column and row here, and then we don't have to drag it. We can just copy from here, and then I'm going to give this three different elements. First of all, I'm going to put it's better that I copy again, and finally I will just delete this one, and I still will have three containers. One, I would like to take the menu first, so menu will be on the left side, and I'm going to change the menu to the front menu, and then here I'm going to put an image, and this image is going to be my logo. So I can put any picture here, or I can put a logo here. So as it is a header, I decide to put a logo here, so I just put this logo, and the logo already you can see. Now I delete this one. So on the left side you can see I have my menu, in the middle I have my logo, and on the right side I can put maybe a text or a button or an icon. So for this time maybe we can put an icon here just to make this a little funny. And the icon you can choose from here. There are a lot of icons. Maybe you would like, it's your website, and you can choose any icon you would like to put in. Let's say I choose this one, and you can see this icon is already here. And here you can be a little bit creative, going this corner, come here and make it a hamburger. And now you see, whenever someone will come to visit in your website and press here, she will find a menu is popping from the left side. So I have already made two different videos about being creative in header section. You will get those in the description below, and also made this one to give you a little crisp over that your menu can come on the left side and also can be a hamburger one, and all the pages you have created, they can appear from the left side. And also you can actually have some background color like this, and also you can have the container background color as well. Each container color, you can have different container colors, and here as well, maybe this one. Now this kind of header is not good looking. Why I am designing it in this way is to give you an idea how much you can become creative. This place you can choose whatever the way you would like to. Maybe this one you can bring here. The burger menu can be in the middle. Also the burger menu can come on the bottom as well. Just you have to give a container here and put your menu inside there. Also instead of an icon, you can put your phone number here using a text element. So there are plenty of ways you can navigate and play around. So thank you very much for your attention, and we see you in the next video.